Hi, this is Roger. What you're looking at is my latest project, which is a restoration of a Jensen 50 from the mid-1960s. I acquired this in November of 2022 and finished it up pretty much in February. So it took me about 4 months on and off. And it works perfectly. It's pulling, you can see right there. I just filled that a moment ago up to the black line. This is a water reservoir that feeds the boiler. And that little pump on the back does a yeoman's job. It'll empty that cup in about 2 minutes. So it does a nice job of keeping the boiler topped up. It's producing electricity in the form of a nicely brightly lit bulb. I'm only operating at, well, looks like about 17, 18 PSI at the moment. It'll go higher, but I'm running it off of a variac at the moment so that it doesn't overheat, because otherwise you have to unplug one of the heater plugs in the back. This engine's been completely gone through. Refinishing was the easy part. It needed some worn parts internally. A crank pin and an eccentric had to be machined, as was the stay rod. It's in the center of the boiler amongst those 3 portholes. You see a bump sticking out. There's a rod that goes completely through the boiler and comes out the other end. It's for safety and to keep it secure. And it leaked as received, and there was no way I could stop it leaking until I had a new one machined. And those machined parts were done for me kindly by Bruce of St. Paul Steam. And for that reason, I've included St. Paul Steam on the tag I put on the front here, because if it hadn't been for Bruce and his machining abilities, this engine would not be running now. But it's been restored such that you know, it runs beautifully, just like a new one. Anyhow, that's pretty much it. I'm very pleased with this, and thought I'd share it with one and all. Take care.